Welcome back to the channel, car lovers. Today we're taking a nostalgic yet forward-looking drive with the all-new 2026 Fiat NUOVA 127. Fiat is reviving an icon with a modern twist to bringing back the charm of the original 127 but reimagined for today's world. Compact, stylish, and loaded with smart tech, the NUOVA 127 is aimed at urban drivers who want heritage, efficiency, and flair. Let's get into all the exciting details. Body panels. The Fiat NUOVA 127 stays true to its retro DNA with a squared-off yet refined body design. It combines nostalgic cues from the original 127A like the upright pillars and compact proportions with modern surfacing and aerodynamic sculpting. The fenders are subtly flared to enhance its stance, while the body features lightweight materials like high-strength steel and aluminum, improving both efficiency and safety. The clean, flat side panels give off a minimalist, timeless vibe. Headlights. At the front, you'll notice those charming round LED headlights in homage to the classic model. But under the retro look lies modern tech. The NUOVA 127 uses full LED adaptive lighting, which automatically adjusts the beam for oncoming traffic and cornering. These headlights are not only efficient but offer excellent visibility, giving you confidence whether you're cruising through city streets or winding back roads at night. Taillights. Swing around to the back, and the squared taillights mirror the vintage design language, but with a pixelated LED signature that adds a futuristic edge. They light up in a distinct sequence when braking or signaling, improving visibility and safety. Fiat clearly wanted the rear of the NUOVA 127 to be as memorable as its face, and they nailed it. Grille. The front grille is sleek and mostly closed off, thanks to the car's electric and hybrid powertrain options. It has a digital Fiat logo that illuminates when the vehicle is active via a small but bold touch. The lower air intake is functional, directing airflow for cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. It's simple, modern, and elegant, perfect for city driving and low drag. Seats. Inside, the NUOVA 127 offers seating for four with surprisingly generous space for a city car. The front seats are ergonomically designed with eco-friendly fabric or optional vegan leather, featuring contrast stitching and subtle retro patterns. Heated options are available, and the padding is designed for daily comfort, making even longer drives a pleasure. Dashboard. The dashboard is a beautiful blend of past and present. It features a horizontal design that's clean and minimalist, but retro elements like toggle switches and metallic accents add character. Soft touch materials cover most surfaces, and ambient lighting provides a cozy, inviting glow at night. Infotainment system. Front and center is a crisp 10-inch touchscreen that runs Fiat's latest Uconnect system. It's responsive, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Built-in navigation, voice assistant, and over-the-air updates ensure your tech stays current. And yes, there's a dedicated retro mode that plays classic Fiat sounds and animations just for fun. Steering wheel. The two-spoke steering wheel is another nod to the original 127, with a flattened bottom and integrated touch controls. It's wrapped in soft materials for comfort and houses haptic feedback buttons for easy access to media and safety features. It's also heated, perfect for chilly mornings. Engine. Under the hood, Fiat offers a zippy 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine for traditionalists, paired with a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. It delivers a modest but spirited drive ideal for tight city streets and efficient highway cruising. It's tuned for smooth, responsive performance and low emissions. Hybrid option. For those wanting a greener option, the Nuova 127 also comes with a mild hybrid variant. It pairs the same 1.0-liter engine with a 48-volt starter generator system. The hybrid setup allows for smoother start-stops, regenerative braking, and torque assistance during acceleration, boosting fuel economy and reducing emissions, all without needing to plug in airbags. Safety isn't sacrificed for nostalgia. The 2026 Nuova 127 includes 6 standard airbags, front, side, and curtain. They're strategically positioned to protect occupants in all seating positions. Fiat has also reinforced the passenger cell and added crumple zones to manage crash energy efficiently. Parking assist. Tight city parking? Not an issue. The Nuova 127 comes with rear sensors, a high-resolution rear camera, and available semi-autonomous parking assist. The system detects suitable spaces and handles the steering for you, perfect for urban environments. And with its compact size, it fits into spaces larger cars wouldn't dare try. Price. Now, let's talk value. The 2026 Fiat Nuova 127 is expected to start at $16,500 for the petrol version, making it one of the most affordable retro modern city cars in its class. The mild hybrid variant will come in around negation 18,000, with top trims reaching negation 21,000, depending on configuration and options. Ending note. So, is the 2026 Fiat Nuova 127 the perfect blend of nostalgia and modernity? Absolutely. It's a stylish tribute to Fiat's heritage, packed with 21st century technology, safety, and performance. Whether you're a fan of the original or discovering the 127 for the first time, this car brings back the fun of driving in a form that's practical and future-ready. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more fresh car content, and let us know in the comments, would you go for the classic petrol or the modern hybrid?